mystical market, oh so bright. Magic by day and magic by night. Wands and wonders, treasures untold. Step through the door, let the magic unfold.
Hello and welcome to JJ's Mystical Market. My name is JJ and today we are going to be unboxing. It is from Crate Joy and it was about $87 for this one, and it's from Smuggler's Crate, and it was a Harry Potter box. And so we'll go ahead, and there's not really much to it. It is a rather large box, so there's not much to the outside. I don't want to show too much of the information because it does have my information on it. And so we will get on into that. So I can't see what is in here, but we'll just pull one item out at a time. And actually I'll set this on the floor so it's not in the way. And first item we have is an official Harry Potter. Looks like a mug. It says Harry Potter sweater mug 20 fluid ounce. So that looks pretty cool. Let's see here. If it's just the mug in there. Oh. Pull that on out of there. And yeah, there it is. So it says Harry Potter on it, and it's got his little blue sweater and a wand and some little lightning bolts, and it's a pretty large cup actually. Really nice. So we got that there, and we'll set that over there. And next item we have is a little Harry Potter Slytherin journal. So if you're into Slytherin, like I know my son's into Slytherin. I'm a Ravenclaw myself. It's actually like got some texture and everything to it, like kind of like a snake, and so that's pretty cool. Let's see if I can get this open here. I don't know why plastic is so hard to get off. Okay. Bam. Yeah, and you can kind of see it's got some silver foiling there. And then we can open it up and see it's kind of plain on the inside, but it's got little lines for journaling and a little insignia in the corner there. So yeah, nice little journal, Slytherin journal. And then, got so much there. Let's see. Next item we have, looks like some pictures. So we got all the houses there. Like a, I don't know if it's like a sticker or it's like a little poster. So you can kind of see all that there. Then you got the famous scene from the Battle of Hogwarts. It's a cool one. Yeah. I'm looking for a second because it almost didn't look like Hermione. All right. Next item we have is a squishy pencil topper. So we got a little Harry Potter squishy pencil topper. It's a cute one. And it is very squishy. Might be kind of fun to play with. And then, let's see. Next thing we have, a little two-piece Funko Bitty Pops. So you got two little Bitty Pops there. One of Harry Potter, and then it looks like Ginny. Yep, little Ginny Weasley there. That's cute. Those are so tiny. So far all official stuff. That's kind of cool. Oh man, a little Ron Weasley Pez dispenser, and it's got the little candy and everything with it there. That's cute. So yeah, all right. And let's see. see, I'm eyeing something that I am so excited about. And there was no view on what anything was in there. And this is just, and obviously I'm very excited about this because I love Luna Lovegood. And it is a little Luna Lovegood figure. And it's not like really little. I mean, look at it, the same compared to my head. That is so cute. I love that. And that is definitely going up on the shelf. And it looks like they have different ones like that you probably could have got, like Lord Voldemort, Harry Potter and Hedwig, Newt Scamander, Okami, and a Dementor. So I'm glad I got this one though. That is so cool. So far, this is a pretty darn good box. Let's see, the next item we have is Butterbeer Jelly Beans. Wow, I don't think I've had those yet. Let's try one of those. Let's see. So that's cute. Little bean there. I don't know if it's supposed to be white like that, but I'll hold this as one. Then when does it have an expiration date? Okay, it says September 15th, 2027, so we're still good. That's actually pretty good. I don't know if it exactly tastes like butterbeer. I've had a lot of different butterbeer tasting things. But not bad. That's pretty good. Alright. And finish this jelly bean. Let's see here. And we got a little ball of something here. Also Harry Potter, official Harry Potter. And then it says that it's a 3D Charms, Charm Friends. So let's see what this is all about. Let's see if I can get this. Yay! Well, most of it. See what is in there. All right. Let's see if we can pop that open. Maybe. If I do it this way. Why won't you come apart? Oh, there we go. Holy moly. Why? All right, all that looks like Sirius Black. Okay. So there's like a whole bunch of different little characters that we could have gotten there. Bam. There's that. Screw this ball. And then next we have from 720 is what it says on the back. Another Harry Potter merchandise piece there. It's a little keychain. So that's pretty cool. Let's see here. Pull that out of there. That's some pretty heavy metal there. That's, you can see the back there. It's very big, if you can see next to my hand. Definitely would not lose your keys with that one. And then, all right. And then let's see what's the next one here. Oh, it's a little Lego. Let's see. Well, it's Gryffindor. Looks like the guy that does the voicing for the Quidditch matches is what it looks like. So that's a cute little thing. See, you can open that up. Only got a little bit on there or to put together, it looks like. So let's see if we can stick them together really quick. Let's see. There's another arm. Arm there. Arm there. It's pretty simple to put together. Put that on there. Bam. I don't know why I got 3 hands. So let's see. All right. And then I guess he stands on this little piece here. Not really sure where these go, but I'm assuming he holds the flag for Gryffindor here. Oh, shoot. I think I put that on wrong. Let's see. Oh, maybe not. I just put it in the wrong hand. So, there we go. Bam. And he's all together. So, yeah. I have one more item in the box. It's the Unofficial Harry Potter Companion and In-Depth Exploration. So it says Volume 2, Chamber of Secrets. And let's see here. All right, so you can open it up, kind of see that a little bit there. And then we have, let's see, I don't know what else is in here. It says, to those who lead with love rather than prejudice, this book may not be a magical diary that writes back, but we hope you consider it a friend all the same, even if you cannot see where it keeps its brain. Okay. So table of contents, it talks about the worst birthday, Dobby's warning. There's the death day party, the dueling club. So kind of just gives some information, I'm assuming, for the stories. And yeah, it's a cute book. I can't wait to read that one. I don't have that one yet. So, all right. So that is everything we got. We'll go ahead and take a look at all of it, and that way you can see everything that came in the box. All right, so here is a look at everything we got in the box. Yeah, so depending on your house, depending on which one is your favorite out of this. All right, so my favorite, obviously, is this. I'm super excited about this. It is so cute. I don't want to take it out though, this one. So it's gonna stay in there. So like I said, depending on what house you like, tell me what your favorite was. And if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe. And until next time, may the stars light your way, and bless be.